Welcome back, savvy innovators, to the high-paced tech realm of Mr. Joker and AI. Do you want to build a thriving channel in 2023 quickly? Look no further than YouTube Shorts. These bite-sized vertical videos are exploding right now. But constantly dreaming up ideas and manually producing quality shorts fast enough to grow can be an uphill grind. I've got revolutionary news about an AI tool called Fliki that will change the game. Fliki can fully automate the shorts creation process with a text prompt. Its artificial intelligence handles writing optimized scripts, generating professional voiceovers and captions, and finding related footage, all in seconds. This is an absolute game changer for crushing it on YouTube. Stick around as I showcase real examples of Fliki in action across top niches dominating right now with shorts. Let's dive in and unlock streaming shorts success. Analyze top-performing shorts creators. The first step is analyzing channels currently killing it with shorts across various niches. This competitive research gives us priceless insights into the styles, topics, and formats that are resonating most. We want to examine both established channels successfully pivoting into shorts and newly created channels exclusively built around shorts. Explore various niches from cooking to crypto, fashion to fitness. Use tools like Social Blade to identify channels experiencing hypergrowth and views and watch time over the past month. Please pay close attention to their upload cadence, video structure, the pacing of cuts, and choice of fonts and graphics. Look for common patterns amongst the top channels. Extract key lessons around optimal length, hooks, cliffhangers, calls to action, and more. We want to deconstruct why certain shorts work so well right now across niches and reverse engineer success. Of course, we'll then add our flair. But first, understanding current best practices is crucial for replicating what's already resonating. After extensively analyzing many fast-growing shorts channels, take detailed notes on recurring themes in their top videos. Brainstorm how you can implement these learnings in your niche. Let me know in the comments the biggest takeaways you get from researching today's top shorts creators. What I found from my research was this creator that stood out: Olympics gymnastics. So, for this video, we will go with the gymnastics niche, since that looked like not too much competition, and some of them are making quite some dough. Once we have done all that, it is time to start creating our own YouTube shorts. The AI tool we'll leverage to automate shorts creation is Fliki. Fliki has a compelling idea-to-video feature that handles the full video production process with just a text prompt. Optimize Fliki settings for YouTube Shorts. Before generating a short, we must ensure Fliki is optimized for the YouTube Shorts format. Navigate to the Settings menu and update the aspect ratio to Portrait mode, the standard for shorts. Next, under the Captions tab, select your preferred positioning, text fonts, colors, and more, based on what grabs your attention. I recommend center positioning with high contrast colors between the text and background for maximum impact. Finally, toggle the subtitle display setting to show captions word by word instead of full sentences at once. This better matches the faster pacing of YouTube Shorts. Hit save and you're all set. Generate AI script, voiceover, and matched footage. Now for the fun part, generating our short. In Fliki, head to Convert, then Idea to Video. Input your specific topic like amazing gymnastics tricks and set the duration to short. Hit Submit. Its advanced artificial intelligence will then work its magic. Fliki auto-generates a complete script, professional voiceover, and polished captions, finding related stock footage and images to match the script. Within seconds, you have a fully produced short. All that's needed is a Fliki account and a few words about your concept. This automation is an absolute game changer for creators, allowing you to scale up shorts production exponentially. But we can make it even better by customizing further. Customize and enhance AI shorts. The artificial intelligence inside Fliki provides an incredible starting point. Now we further customize and enhance the short to perfection. I'll delete the intro and outro blocks better suited for long-form videos. Then I'll break the existing blocks into more scenes to quicken the pace with faster cutting between shots. For any sections missing matched visuals, I can manually search Fliki's stock media library using relevant keywords to find the perfect clips or images to reinforce my topic. Fliki gives me tons of great free options to choose from. And for even more viewer impact, I'll also use the picture-in-picture feature between scenes to add fun animated GIFs that boost engagement and retention. Apply the ideal voiceover. Finally, I'll cherry-pick the perfect voiceover out of Fliki's massive library, with options across over 75 languages to match the vibe I want for my niche. For my amazing gymnastics tricks short, I'll select a David Attenborough British narrator voice. One click instantly adds my selected voiceover across the entire video. Export and showcase the final shorts. Once I'm thrilled with my finalized short, it's time to export it out of the Fliki platform itself and showcase the result. The export process may take a few minutes as Fliki's advanced artificial intelligence works behind the scenes to render the voiceover, footage, closed captions, and more into a fully complete video file ready for upload. But then I'll get an email notification from Fliki that my freshly minted automated short has finished processing and is ready for me to download. Let's check out the polished short we created in just minutes with Fliki's AI.
Amazing gymnastics tricks. Defying gravity, bending bodies. Welcome to the world of amazing gymnastics tricks. Strength and flexibility unite in breathtaking feats. Marvel at the power of human potential. Leap, spin, and balance. The floor becomes a playground, and the air, an open canvas. Witness the mastery of movement. Twists, flips, and somersaults in seamless succession.
End product of short-form content. As you can see from the final short, in a very short period, we were able to leverage Fliki's artificial intelligence and automation capabilities to create a professional, customized short that aligns perfectly with our chosen niche and topic. This streamlined end-to-end process allows us to scale up our shorts production rapidly, saving dozens of hours compared to creating each video manually. Now let's talk about maximizing revenue potential with this tool through long-form videos. Transition to value of long-form videos. Shorts bring explosive growth, but long videos make more money. Channels like Olympics Gymnastics use both formats masterfully. Their long-form videos individually earn far more than 60-second shorts, despite lower view counts. Olympics Gymnastics likely tapped Fliki initially to gain subscribers rapidly with viral shorts. Now they supplement with high-value long-form videos to maximize income. This balanced combo optimizes profits. Modifying the process to automate longer videos. The best part is that we can easily adapt the same Fliki automation blueprint used for shorts creation to effortlessly produce long-form videos at scale as well. When initially generating a video in Fliki, rather than selecting the 60-second short duration, we can simply toggle the length setting to 10, 20, 30, or even 60+ minutes for extended long-form videos. We'd also describe our initial topic or idea to Fliki in much fuller detail when creating long-form videos. For example, prompting the AI with 25 beginner calisthenics workouts to build total body strength, or 50 fundamental gymnastic skills everyone should learn, to generate a very comprehensive long-form script. For long-form videos, we'd likely want to reinstate helpful introductions, conclusions, and transitional phrases like "moving on to the next workout" that we trimmed out when optimizing for the faster pacing and conciseness of shorts. The longer runtime also allows us to cover topics, insights, ideas, and examples in a lot more breadth, nuance, and specificity compared to shorts. Fliki automatically structures long-form videos in clear segments for each point. Repurposing a single shorts topic into a long-form 20-minute video can provide immense value, while saving enormous time versus scripting manually. The same automation makes scaling long-form content creation very feasible. And the Fliki-generated long-form video offers the perfect base to build upon. We can easily incorporate even more elaborate graphics, chapter timestamps, calls to action, etc. on top. So in summary, we can leverage Fliki initially for rapid audience growth through shorts, then up-level viewers through strategic long-form expansion, all using the same AI automation. This is the perfect combo for maximizing both profits and continued growth. Thumbnail and SEO optimization for long videos. With long-form videos, creating eye-catching thumbnails and nailing video SEO becomes even more crucial to drive clicks and impressions. If you made it this far, Leave a comment down below if you want a tutorial on how to create eye-catching thumbnails or how to do video SEO, all using AI. And that wraps up our complete guide to leveraging Fliki's automation capabilities for rapid subscriber growth by tapping into the power of YouTube Shorts and maximizing long-term earnings through strategic long-form videos. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the realm of AI. It's been a pleasure to be your guide. This is Mr. Broker and AI, signing off for now, but stay tuned for more exciting content. If you have any questions or general comments, leave a comment down below. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye, have a great time.